special, who change your life completely. How Weight Destroyer Program helps you lose weight. As the name suggests, the Weight Destroyer Program is directed towards individuals who want to achieve a leaner body. Even though it takes an untraditional route to lose excess weight, the results start showing much sooner than any other fitness routine available. Advantages of program. First, simple to understand. The Weight Destroyer Program relies simply on straightforward tips and instructions. Second, focuses on nutrition and schedule. Through the Weight Destroyer Program, he emphasizes on consuming a nutritionally dense diet. Third, provides recipes. The program guide not only packs useful information, but also makes use of it by providing easy-to-follow, delicious recipes. Fourth, easy to implement. One of the best things about the Weight Destroyer Program is that it does not involve any strenuous workouts. Fifth, does not forbid any foods. In fact, even components like fats and carbohydrates have been given a place in this regimen. Sixth, one-time expense. This makes it much more economical than what the other weight loss programs cost in the long run. There is no need to buy nutritional supplements. Conclusion. Weight Destroyer Program should not be seen as an instant or magical solution to losing weight. Like any system, it must be studied and applied for it to work. Compared to the alternatives, this system is simple, inexpensive and safe to follow. Are you serious about losing weight and enjoying better health, and are you tired of failing with diets?